Every day, thousands of tickets are created, but solving them still takes time. We think it should be faster. An FDE does more than answering a ticket. They join the customer, inspect, read logs, and work around a safer fix. But every investigation starts from zero. Text is spread across tickets and previous sessions. When the next session starts, the team has to reconstruct the story again. Here I introduce the Deltomic. Deltomic is a supervised agent that helps FDEs investigate and resolve customer environment issues in real time. Keeps the conversation moving while its worker agent investigates the environment in parallel from different sources. Let's get into the demo. So customer raises a ticket and sends to our email, and we receive the ticket and sends an immediate script which has to be run on the customer's machine. So this is to ensure that their server is connected to Aws SSM securely and without managing raw SSH keys, and it's completely secure and temporal. So once they run on the machine, our agent sends a live meet link in which customer can eventually join, and to the same meeting link our agent will be also joining. Once the agent joins the session, it loads the current issue which user has raised, and it asks a couple of questions to know more about the issue, and once it have enough context, it routes it to the subagent Quen, which is going to reason and act, which means basically decides the safe execution commands that can be run, and it's going to debug continuously. It's like deploying a Cloud Code session into customer's environment in a safe boundary. So it's going to debug the issue, and it identifies and fixes the issue immediately.
So let's discuss about the pipeline. So our customers raises tickets in email stating the exact issue, and this is connected to Pingram. So this is a service which takes the email content from the user and provides to us via a webhook payload. And our main backend is powered by Python and Fast API. And for all core database operation and audit, we are using CockroachDB because it provides a distributed and reliable setup for database. And we are using Aws SSM to actually connect customers' environment into the agent setup, because it's a secured way of accessing customers' environment instead of managing raw SSH keys. And our backend is connected to the core agentic framework, and it's called LangGraph. So here we have a main node, and followed by that we have a subagent section in which it has an access to the SSM connected node via in runtime. And this subagent has two main parts. There is Gemini Live and Quen 3 model. So it works like in dual setup, in which all conversation thread is handled by Gemini Live, and all the planning, reasoning, and execution happens via Quen 3 model, which is currently hosted in Aws Bedrock, and we are taking inference via that. So the conversation thread and agent execution is always separated but acts together to solve an issue, and the entire agentic setup is provisioned into discussion setups by Read AI, and which is a tool. And this Read AI ensures that this agent is provisioned into Google Meet, in where customers can discuss, debug together to solve an issue.